2014, came from the dealer. I guess they couldn't figure out what was wrong with it. They brought it over here, you know, did my scan. And these are all the codes. They had 22 codes, so I just wrote down the ones that I think are the most important. And you obviously had something going on, right? Boom, boom. So I clear the codes, check the spark plugs, you know, misfire for 6, 2, 4, mostly bang 2. Clear the codes, you know, checked inside the cylinder walls with the, you know, camera, make sure there was no coolant because we were low on coolant, low battery, low coolant, you know, this is what I found. So make sure that the engine cylinders were good. Boom, clear the codes. First code that came up, crank correlation code. All right, check this out.